Plastic, we see it everywhere in our lives. It's in our homes, offices, and even in our oceans. But do you know how harmful plastic is for our environment and health? Plastic is a non-renewable resource that requires fossil fuels to produce, contributing to pollution and climate change. Using plastic also poses risks to our health as it contains harmful chemicals that can accumulate in our bodies and lead to cancer, reproductive issues, and other health problems. Plastic waste is a serious problem in our oceans, causing harm to marine life and disrupting ecosystems. Removing and recycling plastic waste is difficult and expensive. So the best way to tackle the plastic problem is to reduce its usage. We can bring our own reusable bags and water bottles, minimize the use of plastic wraps and cutlery, and avoid buying single-use plastic products. Together, we can raise awareness among our family, friends, and communities about the importance of reducing plastic waste. We can also urge local governments and businesses to take steps towards reducing plastic waste. It's a challenge, but if we all work together, we can create a plastic-free future. Thank you.